Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimokucharts.com daily analysis for the SP 500 for Thursday, May the 21st. Well, the markets went on with what we expected to happen over the next few days. If we look at the current candle, we do now have a new first time frame downtrend. The current candle has a lower high and a lower low. And if we look at the characteristics of the candle, the body of the candle is red, which means that the candle is essentially bearish. And the size of the body has extended, which means that the sellers have made net gain, downside gain, over the course of the trading day. Interestingly, as we've highlighted over the last few days, the previous swing high was a setup for a new second time frame downtrend. And we're very close to that happening here at the moment. The low has actually held right at the support level of the previous swing low. We had buying coming in. So if we look at the tail or the wick on the candle at the bottom, that or the shadow, that represents buying to the upside. Now that also coincides with the Kijun-sen. The Kijun-sen has held as an area of support. And when the Kijun-sen turns flat like that, it tends to attract the price action, and that's exactly what's happened. And then the sellers have come in for the day, tried to push the market down to the Kijun-sen, and the buyers have come in and traded the market up. Now, unfortunately, though, the buyers couldn't push the close up above halfway of the candle. So that means that basically neither side has control of this market. Neither side is really committed to pushing this market low on that day's for that day's trading. Now, the Kijun-sen obviously and this low here is very, very important for this market. If this low is taken out, then it means that we will have a new second time frame downtrend, and we've been in a second time frame uptrend all the way up through here, which we all know we had. Everyone was calling the bottom of the bear market as we were trending up here, and everyone was getting euphoric as we started to trend up. And this will actually dampen that enthusiasm quite a bit. It will be a great change of character for this market. Now, if we do trade down through there, potentially we have support down around the cloud, and that's what we'd expect to see if that Kijun-sen is taken out. We also have support at these previous swing lows as well, so we could look to some sort of support down along the way. Now, the market, though, is still essentially bullish because we're trading above the Kumo, and we have the Tenkan-sen on top of the Kijun-sen, but the Tenkan-sen has started to point down too. It's been quite a while since we've seen the Tenkan-sen pointing down, and I don't think we've seen it anywhere through this rally. So another change of sentiment in the market. Although the Tenkan-sen tends to represent the very short time frame, and the Kijun-sen is a longer time frame. Kijun-sen is sideways, which means congestion, and that's what we're seeing here. We're seeing price congestion here. Now, what we also have potentially is a setup for a descending triangle. So we have equal swing lows within this pattern, and we have a lower low. So potentially we have if we have a breakout here, we'll have a confirmation of a descending triangle, and I'll just draw that for everyone so that we can see where that is. So a descending triangle, and what it means is that as we're trading within the pattern, the buyers are accepting lower prices within that pattern, which is essentially bearish. So confirmation of that will be the breakout to the downside. But what you want to see on breakouts, if you're looking to go short, you want to see bearishness. So obviously if we break out below this support level on a bullish candle, then you'd have to be a bit worried about whether the market will continue down. But if it's quite a bearish candle, then you'd expect that we could end up trading down around to this region. So tomorrow becomes a very, very important day for the SP 500.